All right, traders, what's up? What's up? Welcome back to another Relentless recap. All right, guys, this one is going to be short and sweet. Let's just jump straight into it. Today we are green 661.49. You know, the day started off very well. We were up close to 900 very early on stock DGLY. Then we had BURU, which I should have been up another 1K on and pushed myself closer to 1900 on the day. Then we also had GNLN. Let's talk about it. DGLY, to kick things off. DGLY. Beautiful move pre-market, all things considered. You know, nice uptrend. It did have its pullback here coming into the open. And we asked ourselves, did this thing get beaten up enough to the point where we can see that red to green coming into the open? So said, so done. And it started off at 135. Kid you guys not, my first entry here came on this thing at 135. In hindsight, if I can go back, and today I have on an Amazon shirt. I probably should. Hold on. Disgraced myself with this garbage. I have to go do some I had to go do some mechanic work on the car, so I kind of threw that on. Too much muscles. Now that's better. Okay. Um, let's just keep going. I got in at 135, man. In hindsight, I should have just held this trade. I should have just held this trade for like an hour, and or maybe more like 15 minutes, and I could have done exceptionally well. And I did tell myself in the moment, man, why did you sell so soon? Because it's one of these trades where I'm in. I wanted to see immediate follow through, but at the same time, it was not dropping, right? It was not dropping, so I could have given it more time. Could have given it more time. And so instead of being up like 1K right away, I was only up like 150 bucks, 200 bucks to start a day. I'm out at 36, and my last trade I held to 46. So 1 2 cent gain, which just wasn't worth it, and only made money on 500 shares, right? And I man, just a little disappointing there. We did get to scalp some opportunities from, let's see, did we really connect in here? I think, let's see, 62 to 66, 66 to 74. So we did get to scalp some opportunities as it pushed up to 75. But the better trade I kind of missed out on selling a little too soon. Now, note that we had a low on the pullback here at 48 and then lows around 52. Right in this area here, man, it offered a great dip and then curled back up. 50, it was at 37. Come on, E-Trade. 37 and 38, right? 937, 938 candlesticks, double bottom, pushed up, made the new high. We got up to 71. Small consolidation. And then from here, we pushed up to 183. We did decent. For selling a little soon here early, we were up 1100 at our highs. We gave back a little off the top. But, all in all, fair trades, decent move. Moving on to BURU. This is where we could have then, take the day from up. Because we did get red. Our very first trade was on this cheaper stock. And sadly, ALBT, I think we lost like 200 bucks early getting caught in one of these candlesticks. So we were slightly red before going green. And this is where, let's say we're up about 700 600 at the time. This is where we could have really pushed ourselves by adding another 1K on the day. So BURU broke over high of day and ended up consolidating here, giving us a beautiful flag and then breakout. If we zoom in, lows around 220 and then an aggressive move up to 250 and then an uptrend all the way to 285. We then proceed to have lows at 55 and 55 and then 55 and then 55. What was that, 3 times? And one of the key things I wrote down today is, hey, if you get caught in a loss, do not get upset. Keep paying attention to your key indicators. Because I think I caught this first one. Let's just double check. 53. Did I catch 53 candlestick? I want to say I did. 53. And it's 74. Hold on. And it's 61 out of 65. This is 10 seconds later. So, okay, well, hold up. Is this the right time? 53, 9:53. Well, I guess we did have a high of 84 on that candlestick. Let's see. Okay, here we go. And this, okay, this is 55. So I caught 55, which is the next candle over. And you can even see here that I'm kind of out soon, a little on the earlier side. I did try to get back in, and we got from 60 only to 62, for then 1 minute later, stock is at 72. And I think this is one of those areas I did say on the stream that I could have held longer, right? Um, we kind of watched the stock, man. Like, just again, selling a little too soon on some entries and getting frustrated in some places where and I think right here was one of those areas where it was going up. I took a small loss coming down right here, and instead of looking to buy back, I kind of sighed, threw my hands in the air, and then before you know it, stock is dipping into previous support, and my hands are off the buy button. And it's like, what the heck am I doing, man? What am I doing? What am I doing getting upset after trading for 5, 6 years straight on a small loss? Should not happen, should never happen, right? Should never happen, should never happen. So a little disappointing there to miss that dip. And then we did catch this one selling a little too soon. Right here from 56, we curled up to 63. And that was all she rolled. But enough for me to be up like 500 to 1K, man. Very disappointing. And so, after this, after watching this, when GNLN came, this one was a little bit, oh my God, I got to 21. This one was a little bit more of a spreadier stock early. And I think I traded quite a few shares and didn't make money off the resumption. It was a bit of a weaker resumption. And I saw it moving up early. The moment it broke over the highs here, I saw it. And I didn't really look at it super closely, and I honestly forgot that it moved up so well a few days ago. I did see, I don't know, my mind just didn't register everything for some reason. I saw it all the way here hitting scans. I pulled it up on E-Trade. I looked at the volume, and I'm like, yeah, it's just not that high, but it's worth looking at, right? It's a stock that moved up before, so I could have done a better job. We had a baby pullback, move higher, got halted up. The dip and rip didn't work super well here. It was a little choppy. It was spready. It did ended up holding up VWAP here. And so again, opportunities, man. I could have paid more attention to it, but again, watching the other stock, knowing that there's a little bit more risk because the spreads are so big, I'm like, you know what? I'm not gonna be super aggressive on this stock, and I wasn't, right? I wasn't super aggressive here, so I kind of let it go. And it moved up, had some bigger red candles. So hopefully none of you guys got caught and stuff like. I mean, this is brutal. This one here, not so bad, but these other two are just wild. Even this one, but opportunities going up for sure. Because once we recognize backside, if we need to be out of there, we're out of there. But nice to see that it broke out here into the afternoon, going from about 1544 to 17, resumed all the way at what's that, open 1895. So this is telling me there's a lot of short sellers caught here. I'm surprised it didn't squeeze all the way to like 30. This is very surprising that we're going to see a double top, really. Very interesting. It might be in play tomorrow again. But yeah, guys, quick recap here. Green, $600. I was talking on the live stream today. I gotta get a different I gotta get a better camera, man, because you guys know how it is. I got on a white shirt and it's even worse, right? Jeez, man. They don't make these things. They don't make these things for people with this complexion, man. I gotta get a better webcam. But yeah, stay safe, stay green, hit that thumbs up. The pastor is out of here, man. Hit that thumbs up. Check out the links down below. Let me not forget. If you're interested in learning how to trade, check out Merciless Markets. This is the day trading program that I have here. We do have a solid program, guys. Not only myself, I say we because there's myself, Marcelo, Triad, Tim. You have 4 mentors who are all killing it in the market. We're uploading our archives every day. We're doing weekly Q&As. There's chat room access, and so much more, right? We have a halt scanner. There's live streaming in the chat room with low latency. Check us out if you're interested in learning how to trade. We do have an ongoing coupon in code STATION. Utilize coupon code STATION for 40% off, all right? 40% off MMU Diamond, 40% off of Tim's Archives, Triad's Archives. Check it out, check it out. That way, you can get started, right? And you're following people who are credible, who are live streaming every day and not holding anything back. All right. If you are a new student and you utilize the coupon, your name is going to be automatically entered into the raffle for a chance to win a traveling trading station. All right. If you're an existing student, you can feel free to purchase a ticket. We made it this way because we do believe most existing students, if not all, already have solid traveling setups, or let's just say a setup, because that's what the aim is. It's not necessarily to give a traveling setup, but a setup. And a portable setup is sometimes the choice, because if you're on the go, like this particular setup where I'm at right now, this massive desk and 10 screens, this can't go with me anywhere, So if you have a laptop and two side monitors, that's all you need. You can travel anywhere, and you can also use that at home as well. So yeah, you guys can check it out. You can purchase a ticket. If you are a new student and you want to purchase more entries, you can feel free. Honestly, it might not be a bad thing to do. You're probably going to guarantee yourself a win. But it's up to each of you guys individually, right? You have to decide what you want to do. Other than that, check out the chat room, and I'm out of here, right? The chat room. Let's see how some of the traders did today. Shout out to GNLN. This is one of the guys over in the UK. Shout out to the UK traders. Oren, small red today. Small red. Tomorrow we'll be back at it again. Vegito, who's been around the chat room. Vegito, we can check in and try to get him verified. But massive gains here in NVIDIA trading options. Way to go. Is this options? I think it might have been options I saw yesterday. Not too sure. Mighty Putty in the building, getting it done. 2,300. Lucas getting it done. 1,500. All of these purple names, guys, are students. Keep that in mind. Play-Doh, small red today. Cactus getting it done. Some smaller red here. Green. I think that might have been a Shay in the red today. 290. Marcelo, one of the mentors, with a nice day. Green Dream getting it done. Ken, the list goes on and on here, guys. The list goes on. You can check it out. Tim getting it done, another one of the mentors. Fine Pile. Oh, jeez. Getting it done. Also, you can reach out for verification. Marcelo's a little busy right now. Is why, and Marcelo will take care of you, being that he also uses Lightspeed. I do not use Lightspeed. So Marcelo will take care of you, brother, for verifications. Beam up 3K. Thinking about ending early before I saw GNLN. And took some losses on that one. Ended up going red. He'll be back tomorrow for sure, without a doubt. And there's some more. The list goes on. Dynasty and so forth. Guys, hit that thumbs up. I'm out of here. Stay safe, stay green. The gym is calling my name. I'll catch you guys later. Pastor signing out.